On October 6th, I celebrated my 40th year as an attorney in Oklahoma. And I've done a lot of different things in that time. In my 40 years, about half of the time was spent in law enforcement as an assistant district attorney or an assistant deputy attorney general, various parts of the state, and also in the state of New Mexico. The other half has been spent mostly in civil litigation, some of it working for insurance companies as an insurance defense lawyer, some of it not. One of the things that I learned a lot about in law enforcement is about civil rights, and I used to teach at the police academy in some of the classes for what's called CLEAT, Council on Law Enforcement Education and Training, which is mandatory for officers in the state of Oklahoma to be certified. One thing I have noticed in recent years, I've been out of law enforcement or DA prosecution for the last 5 years or so. But one thing I've noticed is we've got more and more and more 1983, which is the code, 42 USC 1983, complaints coming forward. Many of them involve people that have a record. Many of them involve people that have mental health issues. But one of the things we're seeing over and over and over is that officers are not sufficiently trained to handle a de-escalation. If you know of a situation where you believe a loved one's civil rights have been violated, whether they're in jail, prison, a police officer stops them on the side of the road, and they are harassed or in any way abused or berated, give us a call. That's not right. It needs to stop. There's many good people in law enforcement. The vast majority of people in law enforcement are dedicated, hardworking people. But every so often in any profession, I don't care what that profession is, there's going to be a few bad eggs. So give us a call. Mike Ashworth, Tulsa Personal Injury Lawyer, .pro, 918-924-5528.